Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the future of money, where technology and finance collide. Mastercard is a global payment giant, powering transactions everywhere from Paris to your local coffee shop. Now, meet PI Coin, a digital currency designed for everyone, even those with just a smartphone. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, PI Coin lets you participate right from your phone, building a global community. For years, Mastercard and PI Coin lived in separate worlds, one rooted in banks, the other in digital wallets. But now, Mastercard is teaming up with PI Coin, bridging traditional finance and digital money. This partnership is a game changer, making it possible to use digital currency for your morning coffee or weekly groceries. Together, they're building a bridge between old and new, making digital payments mainstream. Mastercard and PI Coin are rewriting the rules of global payments. Let's see how this partnership actually works. So, how does this partnership actually work? Mastercard's crypto card program is the key. Now, PI Coin is included, meaning you can spend PI Coin anywhere Mastercard is accepted, at over 150 million locations worldwide. Here's how. You get a special Mastercard linked to your PI Coin wallet. When you make a purchase, Mastercard instantly converts the right amount of PI Coin to local currency for the merchant. The store gets paid in dollars, euros, or yen. No need for them to handle crypto. For you, it's seamless. Tap, pay, done. Mastercard's global network ensures these transactions are fast, reliable, and secure. No more waiting days to convert crypto to cash. The exchange happens instantly at checkout. This removes a huge barrier for using crypto in daily life. Anyone with a Mastercard and PI Coin can use this feature after a quick identity check. The goal? Make digital payments accessible to billions. This partnership connects millions of PI network users directly to the global marketplace. It's a powerful combination. Decentralized currency meets worldwide acceptance. Now, PI Coin isn't just something you hold, it's something you can spend anywhere. The future of payments is here, and it's as easy as swiping your card. Let's see how getting PI Coin has become easier than ever. Getting cryptocurrency used to be complicated. Crypto exchanges, trading charts, and lots of confusion. PI Coin changed that by making it simple to acquire. In August 2025, the Pi network launched direct fiat to crypto services. Now, you can buy PI Coin with credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or bank transfers right in the Pi network app. No more third-party exchanges or complex steps. Just open the app, choose your amount, and pay like you're buying a song online. This simplicity is key to bringing digital currency to everyone. After this update, PI Coin's price and trading volume surged, showing real demand. Banxa, a partner company, bought millions of PI Coin to ensure there's always enough for buyers. Major financial players are backing PI Coin's growth. With easy access and strong support, PI Coin is ready for the mainstream. Now, let's talk about how Mastercard keeps your digital money safe. Security is at the heart of this new era. Security is everything when it comes to money, especially digital money. Mastercard brings decades of experience in building secure payment networks. They're applying advanced cybersecurity and risk-based authentication to crypto payments. If something looks suspicious, extra verification steps kick in to protect you. Your PI Coin wallet and transactions are shielded by Mastercard's fortress of security. Mastercard's crypto credential acts like a digital passport, verifying users and businesses to prevent scams. It sets common standards, making crypto transactions safer and simpler. Regulatory compliance is also crucial. To buy PI Coin, users complete KYC, Know Your Customer, identity checks, just like at a bank. This helps prevent fraud and illegal activity, building trust in the system. By combining security and compliance, Mastercard and Pi Network are making digital payments safe for everyone. You can use your digital money with confidence, knowing world-class protection is in place. With security covered, let's see what happens when PI Coin goes everywhere. The digital world is meeting the real world, right at the checkout. The real magic of this partnership is bringing PI Coin into everyday life. The Pi network has millions of users and thousands of decentralized apps, but real-world spending was missing until now. With Mastercard integration, PI coin becomes spendable at over 150 million locations worldwide. Buy groceries, pay for hotels, shop online, or grab a coffee using PI coin just like cash. Merchants don't need to change anything. If they accept Mastercard, they accept your PI coin. This makes adoption effortless for businesses and users alike. PI coin is evolving from a digital asset to a practical payment method. It's fulfilling the original vision of cryptocurrency, decentralized, global, and easy to use. Now anyone can use PI coin for real purchases, not just hold it as an investment. This is a critical step for mainstream adoption. Digital money is no longer just an idea, it's a reality in your wallet. The future of spending is here, and it's powered by PI coin and Mastercard. But how does this stack up against the competition? Mastercard isn't alone in the race to modernize money. Visa, its main rival, is piloting stablecoin settlements, using blockchain to make cross-border payments faster and more stable. Stablecoins are pegged to assets like the US dollar, making them less volatile. Big banks are also innovating. Citi is working on tokenized deposits, turning traditional money into digital tokens for faster, transparent transfers. JP Morgan's KaiNexus platform uses blockchain for instant foreign exchange settlements. The entire financial industry is shifting. Blockchain and digital assets are becoming core to how money moves. While Mastercard's focus is consumer payments with PI coin, others are targeting business and cross-border solutions. This competition drives innovation, better services, and lower costs for everyone. The financial world is transforming on all fronts. The race is on, and consumers stand to benefit most. Let's look at the challenges ahead for PI coin and Mastercard. Every revolution faces hurdles. As exciting as this partnership is, there are still hurdles to overcome. Geographic availability is a big one. Fiat to PI coin services aren't everywhere yet, due to different national regulations. Some users can buy PI coin easily, while others must wait for regional rollouts. PI coin isn't listed on many major decentralized exchanges, limiting liquidity and trading options. Expanding exchange listings will help integrate PI coin deeper into the crypto ecosystem. Education is another challenge. Many people still find crypto confusing or intimidating. For mass adoption, users need to feel confident and informed. Overcoming these barriers will take time, but the potential rewards are huge. The journey is just beginning, and the future looks bright. So what does this all mean for the future of money? This partnership is more than a new feature. It's a glimpse into the future of money. The line between traditional and digital money is blurring. Soon, you'll choose how to store, send, and spend value, digitally, globally, and instantly. Mastercard's multi-token network could let stablecoins, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrencies like PI coin work together seamlessly. Blockchain will power everything from international trade to personal payments, making transactions faster and more transparent. Smart contracts could automate payments, changing how we buy homes or pay artists. Mastercard's move signals to the world, digital currencies are ready for the mainstream. Expect more companies to follow, accelerating the shift to a digital, inclusive economy. The future of finance is programmable, open, and accessible to all. This is just the beginning of a new era. Let's see what this means for you. Why does this matter? Because it changes how everyone uses money. For decades, banks and governments controlled the system. Now, a new model is emerging, combining trust, scale, and innovation. For Pi Network users, this is validation. Their digital assets now have real-world utility. For consumers, it means more choice at checkout. Pay with dollars or Pi coin, whichever you prefer. Competition leads to better services and lower fees. Even those without traditional bank access can join the digital economy. This is about building bridges, connecting traditional finance with blockchain innovation. Mastercard isn't replacing the old system, it's upgrading it for everyone. Money is becoming smarter, more open, and more useful. This is a new chapter for global payments. The future is here, and it's powered by progress. Get ready to experience a world where digital money works for you. The revolution in payments has just begun.